Here is how you can upload photos to OneDrive from the Android. Let me talk about it and let's get started. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe and we can get into it. So the OneDrive application, when you get inside and you are signed in with your account, you can see at the top that it's split into two different parts. We have the files part as well as the photos one. And when you go to the section for photos, if you want to manually upload photos into there, you can tap on the plus button right here and click on the upload right like this, and you will have the ability to browse the files on your device. When you go to the images and filter by the photos, you can tap on any picture which you have stored in here and you can upload it manually to the OneDrive, which is fine, right? It is going to work. It's just going to appear in your library in there, in the gallery of OneDrive, and you can then access it from all of the other devices. But there is also one interesting button at the top, which is called Camera Backup. And for me, it is telling me that it is turned off. And the reason is, what it means is that I don't have the gallery of my Android phone automatically connected to OneDrive. So I know a lot of people who do this, perhaps with Google Photos or iCloud or this OneDrive. You can basically connect your gallery, and every single photo you have in there, everything you capture with your camera will not only be stored in the gallery app, but it will automatically be uploaded and backed up to the cloud service. In our case, it would be the OneDrive. So if you needed that, if you want everything to be backed up, you can turn it on. Just keep in mind that it's going to fill up the storage rather quick because, you probably have a lot of photos. In the left panel in a OneDrive, you can see how much storage you have available and how much you have used. So just keep that in mind, but it's going to be a very nice and comfortable way to store and securely put away your photos on the cloud. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.